This is Professor Derf Seitz. This video shows how to calculate confidence interval critical values for the t-distribution. The idea here is to find a left critical value and a right critical value, minus TC and TC, such that the probability of an outcome of the t-distribution falling in that interval will be equal to C, the level of confidence that we're interested in. There's two blue cells where you have to enter information. First, the sample size n, and then your level of confidence, 95% here, entered as a decimal. Everything else is automatically calculated. The degrees of freedom is simply n minus 1. Alpha is called the level of significance. It's the complement of the level of confidence. The level of confidence is a central region between these two critical values, and the level of significance represents the area in the two tails. Alpha over 2 represents the area in one tail. To get the left critical value, we take the t inverse function, passing it in the alpha over 2, and we get the left critical value. And I will note here that this field is set up, it's formatted in this spreadsheet to round to 5 decimal places. So it has more significant digits than this. Typically, the kind of problems that you're asked to do will at most ask for 4 decimal places. So I'm going to start using a standard rounding of these spreadsheets to 5 decimal places. The right critical value is simply the negative of the left one because it's symmetrical on the other side.